Hey there, fellow adventurers of the written world. Welcome back to our eco-criticism crash course. In our last lesson, we explored the lush landscapes of nature in literature. Today, we're diving into the captivating realm of nature writing and environmental literature. So grab your notebooks and let's embark on a literary journey through forests, mountains, and the great outdoors. Alright, nature enthusiasts, let's dig into the exciting world of nature writing and environmental literature. It's like a literary hike through the pages of books, where trees become characters and mountains turn into metaphors. Get ready for a wild ride. Let's meet some key figures in the world of nature writing. First up, we have Henry David Thoreau, the ultimate nature enthusiast. He embarked on a journey of self-discovery in the woods and penned his experiences in his masterpiece, Walden. Thoreau taught us that living deliberately in harmony with nature can lead to a deeper understanding of ourselves, and made us question our own relationship with nature. Next, we have Rachel Carson, the environmental pioneer who opened our eyes to the devastating effects of human activities on nature. Her groundbreaking work, Silent Spring, ignited the modern environmental movement and emphasized the importance of preserving our fragile ecosystems. Now, let's venture into the realm of environmental literature. It's a genre that explores the intricate relationships between humans and the environment, often shedding light on pressing environmental issues. Books like The Lorax by Dr. Seuss remind us of our responsibility to protect and care for our planet.
What are those?
Those are trees. They used to grow all around here.
Through a whimsical tale, Seuss shows the disastrous consequences of greed and ignorance, urging us to become stewards of the earth. Have we really learned our lesson, or are we just hugging trees for Instagram likes? And who could forget The Overstory by Richard Powers? This epic novel intertwines the lives of human characters with those of trees, illustrating the profound interconnectedness of all living beings and highlighting the urgent need to address environmental crises. It's like Game of Thrones, but with more photosynthesis and less dragons. Are trees the real kings and queens of the planet? What do you think? Comment down in the comment section. Let's not overlook the powerful intersection of feminism and environmentalism, ecofeminism. It's like the Beyoncé of environmental theories, demanding equality for both women and nature. This approach examines the connections between the oppression of women and the exploitation of nature. It argues that both women and the environment have long been treated as disposable resources. Well, my fellow bookworms and nature enthusiasts, we've reached the end of our second lesson on eco-criticism. We've explored the enchanting world of nature writing, environmental literature, and the thought-provoking realm of ecofeminism. But the real question is, can words change the world? Can literature make us better stewards of the environment? Let's dive into the comments section and share our thoughts. Join me in our next episode, where we'll journey into the domain of environmental justice and dive into the stories that amplify marginalized voices in the pursuit of a sustainable future, and discover the unsung heroes fighting for a greener world. It's like a Marvel movie, but with more recycling and less spandex. Thanks for joining this wild and witty adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share this video with your friends and let's ignite some fiery discussions. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep making this planet a greener place.